na document ino ni yatariria wega biu uria kigina gia Kirinyaga kwa gikikaganwa na ni tura advise ni kindu gitao budget policy statement iria iraririrwa ni National Assembly na ni marugire mwaka ni megutube mbeca na timbesa nini ni megutube 4.8 billion shilling
thini wa kiu ireto the Directorate of Communication Liaison iera tura iturumaga na propaganda thini wa mitandao acio mandikirwo wira wa gutire ndu makaruta guteithia andu makirinyaga mbeca icio ciothe ni tukuruta tutware kumbasari andu makwendia propaganda na andu iri ni mendagirie me mucii
aikorwo ngomenwo ni undu wa kwaririria Wanjiku wa Kirinyaga kana atumia makirinyaga. Enough is enough. We are going to do our work, be it we are women, be it we are men of this county assembly, because that is the work the Jubilee government gave us as women of this Kirinyaga.
Reke turute wira uria twareheirwo guku na tutireka ogwo ati tuki intimidate mundu kana tukigwa tu intimidated. We are doing what we are called to do.